it's Kirsten from WTI. This little guy is my secret weapon to keep my lashes and my brows looking nice and groomed. So I do have lash extensions, and it's very important if you have lash extensions to brush them out at least twice daily to make sure that there's no debris, that there's no clumping. So that's primarily why I use a spoolie, but I also have very unruly eyebrows. So let me show you exactly how I use this on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So on my eyelashes, I like to use the spoolie just to make sure, go through them, that there's no clumps, there's no debris. They look nice and fluffy. Now my eyebrows are long and very unruly, so I love that this spoolie is dual purpose. I can use it to brush them up to make them look a lot more groomed. You can see that eyebrow looks so much better than this one already. So it's a great multi-purpose tool. This would be a great tool for those of you who make your own eyelash serum. It would be a really great spoolie because it is a really nice size. It's very comfortable to hold. And if you want to get into like the inner eye areas, you can also bend it as it is made out of a nice wire. So this little bend could easily get into the inner eyelid, which is a really nice feature. So I definitely recommend this spoolie, and that's my point of view.